ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದಸರಾ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀವಿದ್ಯಾಮಣಿ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಾಯಿಷಾ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಭಾಗ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಮೇಶ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ, ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಶಾಲತಾ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ, ಕಿದ್ವಾಯ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ನಟರಾಜನ್, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ, ಅಪೋಲೋ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತಿಯಾ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್.
Srividya ji, it's gone on mute, sorry.
Saisha founders, Jayashree ma'am, Ratan Kumar sir, Swagatistene. A big welcome to the patrons, the co-support group, and all the wonderful volunteers and beneficiaries who are with us today. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾಯಿಷಾ ನಾಕಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಟು ಸುಬಿತ್ರಾ.
Thank you, Srividya. It was wonderful. I really appreciate your attempt to speak in Kannada. I could definitely say it was flawless. Thank you so much. And first and foremost, a very warm welcome to one and all here. I'm sure Srividya has done full justice in welcoming in Kannada. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. and ಏದಾದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ನನ್ನೇ. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. To start with, we will go through the retrospect of Saisha 2021. I would request Shakti to take us through the retrospect of Saisha.
Thank you, Savita. Good evening, everyone. Akila will be sharing the screen about the retrospect 2021 of Saisha's activities and the events that has taken place in the last 1 year. Thank you, Akila. We will quickly run through retrospect 2021 of Saisha for the last 1 year since October 2020. Yeah, next slide. The outflow of knockers since its inception, it has been distributed 4,516 knockers, out of which towards hospitals and institutions itself it is 2,830. From April 2021, we have distributed 965, out of which to the hospitals and institutions alone it is 590, and to the individuals 375. Next slide, Akila. The percentage wise, the sizes wise, the percentage was A 16% has been distributed, B 37%, C 29%, D 16%, E 2%, and F is very negligible of 1%. Next slide, please. The knockers dispatched to hospital institutions were CBCC Chennai 1,120, Caritas Cancer Institute 176, Kachar Cancer Center 156, KMCH Coimbatore 148, Max Hospital Noida 143, Baptist Hospital Bangalore 136, RCC Trivandrum 64, IRCS Hospital Nellore 62, Shushrut Hospital Chembur 54, Shri Aditya Clinic Madurai 50, Tata Memorial Sunguru 45, WIA Ariad Chennai 39, Apollo Proton Cancer Center 30, RML Institute of MS 28. These hospitals and institutions are connected through our volunteers and beneficiaries. Knockers dispatched to NGOs, WCC Rotary 70 numbers, Rotary Club Nasik 46, and Sanjeevani 14 numbers. Next slide. The beanies, apart from knockers, Saisha is interested in sending the beanies that were dispatched to St. Jude's Child Care Center, India. totally 400, which was started in July 2021. Within this 2-3 months period, we have distributed 415 numbers. Out of that, to Mumbai 335 beanies and Chennai 80 beanies, total 415. The bifurcation of small is 110. Yeah, it's okay. Medium 141, large 194, and extra large 60. Next slide. Next, we will quickly look into the events that have taken place in Saisha, India. On October 9, 2020, we had conducted Pink Expo, the virtual meet with Mrs. Barbara Demores, the founder of Knitted Knockers ORG USA. We had virtual meet appreciation certificates for all volunteers. Pink Expo called us, and badges and more love has been given. The Pink Expo, we have it in the YouTube where as all our volunteers are given their handmade crafts, which has been this virtual meet has been conducted. And knitting in public meet that was held on 12th June. As it's famously known, it is the knitting and crocheting in the public places. We all did for Saisha making knockers. These are our volunteers doing knockers. We did open a new region, Andhra, Karnataka, and Telangana, for which we appointed project a regional coordinator, Mrs. Srividya Mani, for AKT meet on 29th July. This is apart from all this, a summer vacation special. As a summer vacation special, we added Saisha youth team specifically from UAE volunteers. All those who were having their summer vacation, they joined hands and joined us in making knockers and beanies. Next, highlights of Saisha. Yeah, we are making the Saisha India Foundation, the beneficiaries covering letters in almost 10 languages. Those issued by English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Bengali. The beneficiary wash care instructions are done in these languages. The knocker awareness video we have developed in 10 languages, 10 videos. Part of this Pinktober, we are celebrating each week. We are releasing one according to the region wise. So last week we had on 3rd October, we had released the Telugu audio video. Quickly, we can have the media coverage. October 2020 in Gulf News, College Times, UAE, Vanita Magazine, Malayalam, Hindi, The Hindu, Chennai, Coimbatore, Times of India, Chennai, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Andhra Jyoti, Chennai, and All India Radio, Coimbatore. These were the media coverages we had last year in 2020. In September 9, 2021, recently, an article published in Santwana Sparsham, monthly newspaper of North Rajeshwari Foundation and NGO. Our regional coordinator, Mrs. Valsa Matthew, had published it. An article published in Daily Tandi, the article has been given by Jayashri Ratan, the founder of Saisha. Yes, next slide. Yeah. Saisha Smiles, the testimonials that has been received from our beneficiaries. So far, text messages, 53 messages have been received, audio messages, 15 messages, video message, 1 message. And it has been in our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Everywhere it is present all the time. Our social media milestones. Our Facebook has followers of 396 numbers, Instagram 296 followers, and YouTube 189 subscribers, and 64 videos have been uploaded. Next slide, Akila. The team highlights. October 2020, we were totally, now we are 243. Volunteers in October 2020, it was 174. 69 new volunteers have been introduced between November 2020 to October 2021, plus the youth team members from UAE. Next slide, Akila. The support team of Saijai India Foundation are Akila Devi Kumaran, Geeta Krishnan, Jayashri Ratan, Jayashri Vasudevan, Jyoti Bhatia, Kumar Ratan, Lynette D'Souza, who has been added newly as Sabita Rao, Shakti Harinath, Soumya Sitaraman, Srividya Gopinath, Shubha Iyer, Sukanya Venkatachalam, Sushma Subramanian, Valsa Matthew, and Srividya Mani. Lynette and Srividya Mani have been recently added to. The regional coordinators, Srividya Mani and Yogita Galotra, and Lynette D'Souza, Lynette D'Souza and Sushma have been added as a regional coordinators this year. Soumya Sitaraman is Tamil Nadu, Srividya Mani AKT region, Sukanya Tamil Nadu region, Sushma Mumbai region, Valsa Matthew Kerala region, Akila Devi Kumaran Abu Dhabi, Yogita Galotra Abu Dhabi, Dubai she is. Lynette D'Souza is from Kuwait. These are all our regional coordinators. November 2021, we have opened our training wing with Geeta, Jayashri, Nandini, Rama, Shakti, Saraswati, Srividya, Subha, and Vijay. The training coordinator is Mr. Subha here. We do have 3 levels of training at beginners, intermediate, and final level. So for the training sessions conducted, 131 classes. The trainees, those who attended the classes were 108. 33 completed, and on completion and getting the knockers approval, certificates issued so far are 32. We do have care for the quality of knockers for the uniformity in our supply. So we do refreshing courses for those existing volunteers and for the new volunteers. Next slide. Our social media team, YouTube handles Mrs. Akila Devi Kumaran and Jyoti Bhatia. Facebook and Instagram handlers are Seema Anand and Srividya Gopinath. Our financial advisory team members, Ms. Christine Woodward, Rashmi Kothari, Srividya Gopinath, Susma Subramaniam, Valsa Matthew, and external member, Mr. J. Balasubramanian. This has been formed in 2021. Our financial advisory team has been formed in 2021. Thank you all. Thank you for being so patient to hear all these things. I just take over to ask Sabita Rao to take over.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. ಇದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರಣ ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಉಂಟು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಜನ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈವನ್ ದ ಪೇಟ್ರನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಾಕಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇದು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀಗ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ನೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The main reason why we are sharing is only that, not to show our numbers, it is that we would be able to provide more and more. There is still scope. Kindly connect us to the individuals and the other patrons so that we could, serve to more people, and we request you to bring the awareness in your community. Thank you so much. Moving further, I would request Akila to flash the volunteer appreciation, the beneficiary appreciation, and so on. We have a lot of things coming up. Akila, over to you, flash the appreciations.
Thanks, Dr. Mallika Kenny.
Yes, ma'am.
We would request you to release the certificates of our volunteers.
Certification of appreciation is presented to Mrs. Komal Motwani for contributing knockers to mastectomy survivors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Mallika. The next one.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You can read out the next person.
Myself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. This is certificate of appreciation presented to Miss Namita Reddy for contributing knockers to mastectomy survivors. Thank you, Namita.
Thank you, ma'am. The next person from Karnataka.
Certificate of appreciation to Miss Shilpa Pai. Thank you, Shilpa Pai.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have the volunteers from UAE who have contributed for the knockers.
Yeah. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Christina. Thank you, Christina. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Surinder Kaur. Thank you, Surinder Kaur.
Oh.
Certificate of appreciation to Miss Suma Menon. Thank you, Suma. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Shrisha Ram Sharma. Thank you, Shrisha Ram. The certificate of appreciation to Miss Smita Sundaram. Thank you, Smita. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Shobha Ram Sharma. Thank you, Shobha. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Jagjit Kaur. Thank you, Jagjit Kaur. Certificate of appreciation to Bhuvaneshwari Janaki Raman. Thank you, Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari. Certificate of appreciation to Miss Ravalita Ravi. Thank you, Ravalita.
That's it, ma'am, for the knockers.
Okay.
Sabita, should we? Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, Akila, we should now move it to the next step. And before that, I would request Shakti to explain what exactly is beanies. I think many of them may not be clear on what beanies is. If she could just show the sample of beanies on the screen for them to understand, because we've been talking about knockers and we have now appreciated people for contributing beanies as well.
Yes, Jayashree, you can go ahead. You can just read out the names.
Certificate of appreciation presented to Ms. Aarti Chawla. This is again for knockers. It's not the beanies.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, this certificate of appreciation to Mrs. Bhagyalakshmi Prasad for contributing beanies to our pediatric cancer warriors for Saisha India. Thank you, Bhagyalakshmi. Next one is a certificate of appreciation to Mrs. Merengues Mistry. Thank you very much, Merengues.
Some problem. Every time I close, it's coming like this. Yeah.
Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Sandhya Srinivasan for contributing beanies. Thank you, Sandhya. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Srividya Mani for contributing beanies. Thank you very much, Srividya.
Okay. Should we move on to the UAE beanies?
Yes, Akila.
Yes. Okay.
A small word, these beanies, when we say beanies, we are talking about cotton cancer caps that we are giving to the children aged between 0 to 14 of St. Jude's organization. They have about 11 branches all over India. In India, we're giving it to their branches. We send most of it to Bombay, where they disperse it to the other branches themselves. Beanies are small caps made out of 100% mercerized cotton. They are knitted and crocheted. They are very colorful, so the children really like them. Yeah, you can share this.
Akila, if you can pin me, I can show this. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Arundhati Shivakumar for beanies for our cancer children. Certificate of appreciation to Mrs. Vishalini Madhusudak Kumar for contributing beanies. Thank you, Vishalini. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Valarmati Rajaram for contributing beanies. Thank you very much, Valarmati. Certificate of appreciation to Usha Ramesh for contributing beanies. Thank you very much, Usha. Certificate of appreciation to Suma Menon for beanies. Thank you, Suma. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Rajinder for beanies. Thank you very much, Ms. Rajinder. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Neeta Agarwal for contributing beanies. Thank you very much, Neeta. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Harpreet for contributing beanies. Thank you, Harpreet. Certificate of appreciation to Ms. Geeta Rajesh for contributing beanies. Thank you very much, Geeta. Certificate of appreciation to Akila Devi for contributing beanies. Thank you, Akila. Thank you, Vaishnavi, for contributing beanies to our cancer warriors.
Just two more.
Thank you, Srisha, for contributing beanies for St. Jude's. Thank you, Srishti, for contributing beanies to our pediatric cancer warriors of Saisha, India. Thank you very much. Thank you, Grishma, for contributing beanies to cancer warriors.
Yes.
Yeah, Akila, thank you. These are the beanies we have been talking about. This is a knitted one. These are various sizes, like comes in a small, large, medium, and XL. Specifically of mercerized cotton. So just will show you some beanies over here, which are colorful ones. All handmade from UAE, India, everywhere.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Shakti.
Welcome.
Keshri, can we ask our esteemed patron, Dr.
Yeah, we can
speak, please?
Yeah.
By the 10
Release
seconds.
video, audio. No? He can release. Let him release.
Can sir speak and then we can release the audio video? Is it fine?
Sure. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So first of all, thanks a lot for Saisha India Foundation for giving me this opportunity, especially for a cause like this, where the awareness for especially the external breast processes is lacking. So I want to just reflect a small study which we have done in our institute in 2015. So at that time, see, when we were doing mastectomies, people just go, and we didn't have the time to think about how they live after mastectomy. So when they come for follow-up, some people will be just hiding something in their hand when we are going to inspect. So we ask, what is that? Probably the worst scenario was they used to carry newspaper, a fold of newspaper in their hand. And just when we are going to examine them, they just take the fold. So I thought we should do a study. So the study, the crux is 50% of the people who have undergone mastectomy, they have not using any sort of processes. They just hide, just like an Indian female, do the household work and just live their life. Just forget about, for example, when you are wearing a sari, if one side, if it is flat, then it is very difficult for them to present themselves outside. When you are wearing churidar or any form of dress anywhere in India, it will be little difficult for them to adjust. So the most important cause, what we have learned from our study, is lack of awareness. If they know that there are places from which they can get free processes, or get some advice like how to modify a little bit without spending much could have made a big difference in their life. So hats off to Saisha Foundation for what you are doing, from the idea which we have picked up from US, and you know that it was tested well in US, and now without any hesitation you can say that it is not harmful for anybody. The product is 100% of high quality. So actually, as doctors, we should thank you for bringing an extra smile to all our patients through your donation. So, and making the awareness and talking about it is okay. Now you are gone 2-3 steps ahead, going to the regional languages, bringing out videos in each languages and trying to educate more people. That is, I think, when you think about the breast cancer awareness, everybody is speaking about many things. Do mammogram, do ultrasound, do this thing, that thing. But nobody is speaking about this psychological aspect of the females. So this program is very, very unique. And I don't think anywhere in India such a program will be happening. That is, you are coming down to the regional languages and trying to bring awareness among the patient as well as doctors. For doctors also, it is something new that there is high quality breast processes available for their patients is free of cost by just putting a WhatsApp or just calling. This is something which everybody should know. So I am very happy, and I think it is it's a gift for me in this Navaratri from Saisha Foundation to release this Kannada video regarding the breast processes. Happily, in the presence of God, I am just releasing this, and I'm sure that this will go to thousands of people, and they all will benefit from this. Once again, I thank the patron Jayashree ma'am for making this a big movement in India, and I know it will go far and ahead as the days pass by. Thank you so much, and I'm happily releasing this video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you so much. I mean, I'm totally moved, Doctor, by your words. Really. I mean, we've had. Thank you.
This is something very unique, madam. There is no doubt about it, and nobody can deny the work you are doing. So, see, my experience, I don't have big numbers. Many patient comes, I give you this number which I have got. But few patients, when they come, they talk to me, and they are so happy to have a good quality one. Many people provide some cotton inside and one cloth around that, which after 2-3 uses, it is not at all worth keeping with them. But this is it's a very good processes made with love and care, that when you see that you feel that it is and I feel important. So that is very important for these people. So there is no doubt, madam, it's very good. No doubt.
Thank you. Thank you. We play the video now, Akila.
Yes, Jayashree, surely. Just actually, the video is still not released to public. So we wanted to hear these wonderful words from doctor, and with the consent of doctor, I'm just going to the YouTube page where it is actually in unlisted mode now. So when sir says go, I will just make it as public.
Madam, please go ahead, madam.
Dr. Rakesh.
It is going to benefit
yes.
people.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rakesh. I'll just make it public now. So I think everybody is able to see the screen. Yep. Yes, publishing it now. Thank you, sir. I'll play the video also in YouTube. It's getting loaded.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾಗಿರುವ ಲಾಭೋದ್ದೇಶವಿಲ್ಲದ ಸಾಯಿಶಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವಾದ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳನೋಟ. ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಜಯಶ್ರೀ. ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಎಂದರೇನು? ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏಕೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು? ಎಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳಿವೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡುವ ಈ 2 ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವುಗಳು ಕೃತಕ ಸ್ತನ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಸ್ಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ತನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನಿಂದ ಬಳಲಿ 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 ಸ್ತನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡವರಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃತಕವಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು 100% ಮರ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ತಯಾರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವು ಮೃದು, ಆರಾಮದಾಯಕ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೂಕ, ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಮತ್ತು ತೊಳೆಯಬಹುದಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಇವುಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗಾತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳ ಉಡುಪು ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರಾ ಗಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದುದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಳಸಬಹುದು. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಷಯವೆಂದರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ವಿತರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನೀವು ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವಂತಹ 100% ಹತ್ತಿ ನೂಲಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಾಯಿಷಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಅನುಮೋದಿತ ಪೂರೈಕೆದಾರರಿಂದ ನೂಲನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ನೂಲಿನ ಚೆಂಡುಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರು ಈ ಅದ್ಭುತ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಕ್ರೋಶೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣಕೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರು USA ನ knitted-knockers.org ನ ಅನುಮೋದಿತ ಮಾದರಿಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ವಿವಿಧ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಂಡ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಅವುಗಳು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಂತರ ಸಾಯಿಷಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಲೇಬಲ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಾಕರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಲೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬುವುದು. ಇದು ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡುವ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೈಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಾಕರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತುಂಬುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೈಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ದಾರವನ್ನು ಎಳೆದು ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೈಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳು ಗಾತ್ರದ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೈಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರ ಬೆರಳುಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಒಳಗಿನಿಂದ ದಾರವನ್ನು ಎಳೆದರೆ ಅದು ಸಡಿಲವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಇರುವ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ತೆಗೆದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರಿ ಎನಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ದಾರವನ್ನು ಎಳೆದರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ದಾರವನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ವಲಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಅಥವಾ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕಿದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲಿನ 917700099212 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂದೇಶ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ. ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ saisha.india@gmail.com ಇಮೇಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ 4200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವುದು 6ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 245ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಮಯ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದರಿಂದ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಸಾಯಿಷಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you so much. Actually, the real surprise, doctor, the thing is, all this has been done by volunteers and nobody has been paid anything. And, you know, we don't know here in this case, Akila, who's done the whole thing, she doesn't know Kannada, right? She doesn't know Kannada. And the other person who's done it doesn't know, Akila knows Tamil, English, and a smattering of Hindi. And and the one who has done the voiceover in the Kannada is not a volunteer. She is a volunteer's friend who agreed to do it. I mean, it's something like destiny has made them all come in and help us out in their own little way. Each one, I have to say a big thanks to everyone who has come part in this the video. It's all been done in a very short span, maybe just about a month. We have done 10 languages in just about a month. I don't think it's possible. With nothing is paid, everything is free. All of them have put in so much of their effort. I mean, there's no words to express that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Wonderful.
Once
Nandini.
sorry to interrupt. Dr.
Yes,
Nirmala is present.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Welcome, Dr.
I just
Nirmala.
saw
So
her.
nice of, yeah, welcome. I'm very happy that she could come, right? She was supposed to be traveling, no? Yeah. Thank you, Uma, for your invaluable contribution for making the knocker awareness video. Thank you, really. Thank you so much. Yes, doctor. So, thank you very much, Shilpa, for your contribution in making of the knocker awareness video, and also for checking out the videos we've had. She's finished. Uma's done. Shilpa's done. Thank you, Nandini. Nandini is a very good volunteer of ours who's done a lot for an invaluable contribution in the making of knockers. She's also one of our trainers, training us to how, and these trainers have done a wonderful job. We're getting wonderful numbers. Absolutely no complaints for the knockers.
Okay, that's it for thank you notes for the video.
That's it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Akila.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh.
I think request other doctors. Yes, Dr. Sabi, Dr. Mallika to speak.
Yeah, sure, Jayashree. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
Thank you. We would request Dr. Mallika to say a few words.
Yeah.
It could be in Kannada or in English. The reason is, the beneficiaries who do not understand a very high English would also understand what the meeting is about. So I would request you, if it is possible, to speak in Kannada. Otherwise, English is fine. Thank you so much.
First of all, I will thank all the volunteers who are doing such a big, great job for this important cause, and a big thought is behind this for this big cause. Okay. And they are making time and their precious time for making this a successful thing, and giving a big smile on our patients. I really thank all those volunteers, and even our patients are also satisfied with this knockers, and more awareness have to reach all our patients, they should know about it. And I think this video is a very wonderful job done by you. I think we can also share this with our patients. We can share this video.
It is gone on YouTube, ma'am. So I think it should be.
So no, the patients who are not accessible to YouTube, how we can share this to them. We can reach out.
Ma'am, ma'am, this is Akila here. Maybe I could make a compressed version and send in WhatsApp or in a Google Drive link. I can share.
Okay. So and we have a support group, in the hospitals. We have a breast cancer support group, and we can share that to our support group too, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you for taking this big initiative from you. Thank you, Jayashree, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mallika.
Thank you, Doctor.
Akila?
Yes. Can we ask Dr. Nirmala to share the thank you notes for the?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'll share the screen. Maybe you could invite Dr. Nirmala, please.
Yeah.
Welcome, Dr. Nirmala. We would request you to take this program further. Are you there?
Dr. Nirmala, you have to pin her, I think, right?
1 second, let me check.
No, sorry, I don't see Dr. Nirmala now.
I am also not able to see her, right, Geeta?
Yeah,
I'm
I
not
think
able
she
to
has
see.
left because she is on the move. She
She
said
was
whenever there is
traveling.
signal, yeah, she will join.
Was traveling. Certificate of appreciation to Anita for reaching out to the beneficiaries and getting their feedback, which is what we would like to share now. We have conducted a survey. I mean, we just conducted some, we called up about, I think the volunteers called up around about 50, 60 beneficiaries to get their feedback. And they've been successfully getting it for us. And that's so we want to appreciate Anita's contribution to that. Next one, Akila. Bhagya Lakshmi Prasad, thank you so much for reaching out and getting the feedback from the beneficiaries. You've all spent a lot of your time on this. Thank you so much. Meera, thank you very much for reaching out to the beneficiaries and also offering to help Srividya out, Srividya Mani, who was a coordinator and just underwent her cataract operation. And thank you very much, Meera. She's also been helpful in getting doctors connected with us. Merengues is a very, very popular beneficiary come volunteer with us. All of us love her. And thank you so much, Merengues, for your feedback contribution.
And the last one, Jayashree. Yeah.
Yeah, one more. Vijaya Bose, thank you so much for your time in reaching out to the beneficiaries and getting the feedback from them. It has really helped us have an idea of how they all feel. Thank you so much.
Akila?
Yes, Abhi.
Yeah, I would now wish to call upon the beneficiaries who are in the meeting to come forward and speak. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Hi, Sabita, Meera here. Sita Krishnan is there from the beneficiaries. Yeah.
Thank you, Meera. Could I request Sita Krishnan to speak a few words about her experience on using the knockers?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
First of all, thank you all the volunteers for making a very great difference in the life of all the breast cancer survivors. Thank you, madam. I had my mastectomy on 11th of October in Narayan Hridayalaya Majumdar Stroke Cancer Center. And I had undergone a mastectomy for my right breast. I decided to remove my complete right breast. So the question at that point of time was like, really, sorry that I am not able to speak in Kannada. I am not very fluent in Kannada. So please pardon me. So the problem was I am a working woman. So when it is in the social situation of when you are going to a working place, you need to live a normal life as far as possible, even in the presence, in your appearance as well as your day-to-day activities. So that becomes a real challenge if you are lacking something which is really obvious when we are a full woman, right? So how people look at you or how you are getting presented, that makes a lot of difference in terms of confidence as well. So I was looking for what is the other options that I can have when I go for a mastectomy. Going for a mastectomy was never a doubt for me because I had decided that I will do it. But then what is the other choices that I have wherein I can live a very normal life and a very, what you call it, as a presentable person. So the other options what I had was I went to Commercial Street, as you know, in Bangalore. So in Commercial Street, I was looking for this. What came across was really heavyweight and very costly, like which were costing me around 2,000, 3,000 rupees and not in the correct shape and very imbalanced kind of versions. And these are all were imported from Thailand and other places. And I couldn't find too many of such prostheses as well in and around. And I searched quite a bit of places there, and still I was not able to find out. And only one prosthesis what I found was also being very costly, but it was like almost to the place there. Then I was searching to through web. I found that okay, Saisha India as well as about the knitted knockers. So I wrote to Jayashree, Madam Jayashree Ratan, as well as at the same time, Meera also got in touch with me, and I requested for the knitted knockers. So the best advantage of this is that you can very easily wear this. This is not a very heavyweight knockers, and as soon as your surgery is over and you have all the scars and your or wherever your surgery is done, that is really like a very sensitive place, you know, wherein you should not have too much of abrasions, or you should not have any what you call discomfort. So I found the knitted knockers very comfortable in that way. Even a person who has undergone a mastectomy, within a few days, you can use it. So that is other advantage of it. And I've been using it for now last almost like 1 year. And I'm really comfortable with it. I use them when I go out specifically. So I kind of made a little bit kind of a pocket to put this knitted knocker so that the body sweat doesn't get into the knocker. So you can use it much more longer, and it will be much more safer as well. So that the microfibers don't get directly in touch with the body. And I also made a pocket for my brassiers, into which I can put this as a complete packet, so that it doesn't move out of my comfort zone and comfort zone of the body. So I would like to thank all of you for giving us a very good, what you call, a new lease of life, I would say. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sita, for this wonderful feedback. I'm sure our volunteers will appreciate it, because this is one of the few times they get to see or hear from the beneficiaries themselves. It's generally I who hear all this, you know, they never know. So I'm really happy our volunteers are hearing from you. They know what I'm saying is not untruth, but it's nice to hear from the person who's using it herself, you know. Thank you so much.
Very good, madam.
Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Sita, for your valuable inputs. Is there any other beneficiary present in the meeting and wishes to speak? Meera, Bhagyalakshmi, could you please help me identify the beneficiaries?
Mrs. Usha Kamath was there.
Usha,
Priya wants to speak, it seems. I saw in the chat, Priya C, beneficiary.
Yeah.
Priya, please come. Hello. Yeah, Priya, please continue.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Priya from Mysore. Yeah, I was diagnosed with cancer last year. I underwent surgery last July. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So post-operation, we go through a lot of things and so many aspects to deal with. Chemotherapy, fatigue, loss of hair, loss of weight, everything. Yeah, then I came to know about Saisha India through a friend. Then I asked for the knockers, and I've been using the knockers for the last 6 months. And I'm really happy about the knockers. Yeah, so actually I have no other alternative in mind now. I think I'll continue using this. Yeah, that's it. I'm really grateful to all the volunteers for doing this good work. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you very much. Very nice. And I'd like to tell all beneficiaries, once about a year and a half, 18 months, you can always ask for a second time, because it will last for about 18 months. We would give you another one when you ask for one. No problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, Priya was interested in joining as a volunteer. She wanted to know the options or some more details.
Okay. I will talk to her separately. Bhagya, you can give me her number later. Priya's number, I'll call up and I'll speak to her.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome to have beneficiaries who turn into volunteers. Nothing like that.
Yeah.
So wonderful for us. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you say something?
Sherry was want to say? Sherry,
I think somebody wants to speak.
Who else?
I guess it is
Elena.
Meher wants to speak. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Meher.
Hi. Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. A couple of teeth are under repair.
No problem.
A couple of okay, I had my mastectomy in 2010 and all the chemo, and you go through so much at that time. I was lucky my command hospital from the army side gave me this silicone prosthesis. But it is very heavy. It's as though you are holding 500 grams on your body the whole time. And it is so heaty. It makes you perspire so much that a person looking at you would wonder what is wrong with you. Why are you perspiring so much?
Okay,
but otherwise it's nice. And these are light as a feather. They are so wonderful. I don't use any cup and just put it inside my bra and it's perfect. And it can be adjusted, because as you grow older, your normal breast also starts shrinking a bit. So you can adjust
as you wish
to whatever size you want. Thank you.
Thank you. And I have to say that Meher became here even before she got her knockers from us.
Yes.
That is hers. That's Meher. Yes, thank you, Meher.
I'm so thankful to my niece to introduce me to you.
Thank you. Thank you to her.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anybody else? I can see a couple of them, but maybe they don't want to speak. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will speak.
Yes. Your name?
My name is Ligia.
Yes.
And I had my mastectomy 25 years ago.
Wow.
Yes, I just completed 25 years. So it's been a really long time. And at that time, it was a difficult thing. But I want to tell you this, that that time, just before I had my mastectomy, maybe 4 or 5 years before me, my sister-in-law had mastectomy. And I'm from Bangalore. I'm in Bangalore now. At that time, I was in Bombay, and she had a mastectomy. And it was very painful to see her going through radiation and chemo and all those things. But at the end of it, I realized that she was all right, and she is still there, okay? And because of her, I got a lot of courage to go through this mastectomy. And when I had my operation done, I did a full mastectomy, and I was okay with it. And I also knew about these prostheses through her, because she was using a silicone one. But the silicone one was really heavy and too hot, as Meher has spoken about it. And she introduced me to this place, Indian Cancer Society in Bombay, which they make hand ones, the cotton ones. Yeah. So I've been using it for a long time, and my doctor would always ask me to, recommend that to others. But last year, just before COVID, I think, somewhere maybe Jan or Feb 1920, he sent me a write-up, my doctor sent me a write-up on knitted knockers. So I went through it, but it was a Malaysian address and number and all that. So I contacted them through email or something. And then they told me, no, why do you want to come to get it from Malaysia? Why don't you get in touch with your India foundation only? So then they gave me the number of Saisha, and I did get in touch with them, and they were so obliging that immediately they sent me the knockers, and I felt, oh, they were so attractive. First of all, like, you felt so happy to receive them. The design, the color, the shape, and they were so light. They are so light and soft. You don't feel them much, and it's really something very graceful when you wear it. Also, you don't think about it, that it's there. You are quite comfortable with that. So I do want to thank Saisha Foundation for whatever this effort that they are doing, and I would want many people to benefit from this. And I just got to know that you all do have a training of how to make these knockers. So I would like to learn to make them for others also.
Yeah, you could share your number with us in the message, and I will get back to you, ma'am.
Yes,
yeah, I'll do that.
So thank you so very much.
Thank you
for
so
this
much.
Beautiful product.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so
anybody?
much.
Anyone else?
No, Jayashree, I'm not able to see any hand raise.
Okay. Okay.
I think so. This is Elena.
Yes, Elena. Yes, Elena. Welcome.
Wait, I'll put on the video, but you'll be surprised to see me daringly showing you myself. Yes, so I'm the
lovely. Thank you.
I'm the bald one here. The last, when I went for my, I'm undergoing chemo right now. I've got 1 more to go.
Yeah.
And when I went for my 5th cycle, this nurse came up to me and she said, "Why are you coming like this? Can't you put something and come?" So I said, "No, we have to open and we have to let the chemo put and everything. Why do we have to do and put anything and come?" And then she said, "No, I'll give you something special next week." And so for my 7th cycle, she gave me these pair of knockers and I was touched. I had tears running down my eyes and I said, "Who made them? How pretty it looks, how nice it is." And then I felt it and it felt so nice. And then she said, "Nobody asked who made and all. They just take it and go. You also take it and go." I said, no, I want to know who made it. And so she gave me this leaflet. And that same evening after my chemo, I came home and contacted Jayashree. And I said, "I just finished my chemo, but I'm talking to you. And I really want to thank you for what you did. And I'm really touched. And consider me as the next volunteer because I have just did so much for my grandchild. I became a grandmother just 1 week ago."
Yeah, Elena actually spoke to me and I called her back. She was actually on the chemo chair. I said, you're on the treatment, finish it and let's talk later. She said, no, I have nothing better to do. I just have to wait, so I will talk to you. And she's wonderful. I mean, she's so positive and she's always smiling. I mean, it brings really very, very cheerful to, and she's sure that she's suffering at all. I mean, it's easy going through all that she's doing. And she is definitely going to join us somewhere early, hopefully in December or early January.
Yes, I'm joining tomorrow. And
Thank you, Elena. Thank you so much. Take your time, but yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make me feel productive. Like, right now I do some cooking and then my husband say, okay, rest now. I said, no, I want to be productive. So,
but I think you need to take it a little slow. We are going to be there. Don't worry. We will be in touch. Yeah.
For me to feel productive, and I'm feeling really ready to be there with you tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can join that. Yeah, that will be fine.
God bless. God bless.
Thank you. Anyone else?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾ.
ಗೀತಾ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಮಂತಕ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೀತಾ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್
ಶಮಂತಕ. Yes, ಶಮಂತಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನನ್ ಮಗಳು ಮದ್ವೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದೇ 2016 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಅವಾಗಿಂದನು ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅದೇ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮದ್ವೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಹೇಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಯಿಶಾ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಲೈಟ್ ವೈಟ್, ಒಂಥರ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನನ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಸಿಗ್ಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತ.
Shamantaka, you can write to us. Send you
ಶಮಂತ, ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Anybody else would like to talk? Any of you want to say anything else? We'd be very happy to hear. Okay, then shall we wind up?
Bangaloreans can meet anytime.
Oh yes, the Meher has welcomed you all into our house anytime. If you're not,
we can
as
have
long
a meeting.
Yeah, we can have a meeting at Meher's place. No problem. Can we wind up then?
Yeah.
Yes, Jayashree, probably you can.
Yeah,
you can go ahead
I
with
would
a
like.
vote of thanks.
Yeah, I'd like to take this opportunity of thanking our chief guests who happen to be our beneficiaries. With them, we are not here. And then our doctors who are really and truly have helped us in reaching out to more people. Dr. Rakesh, Dr. Mallika, who's just joined us. Dr. Ashalata has also been there, but she's just delivered a baby, I think, so she hasn't come in. I really also want to thank each and every one of those involved in making Knock. That's very important. And a great big thank you to the wonderful people who made the videos possible. And Akhila for her expertise and technical help, without which we are, I don't know what to say, we are completely without a limb. That's all I can say, because she's always there at the right time to come out and help us in getting these things sorted out.
Yeah.
We are all absolutely, most of us volunteers are above 50, 55, and we are not good with the latest online thing that goes on. But thanks to the younger volunteers and the smarter ones, we are able to manage. A big thank you to our social media team. Without them, we will not be creating so much of awareness outside, because till last 2 years, we were not having so much work in the social media, but now the last 1.5 years, this has really been moving. And I would say Akhila has been a main source. First, she was putting a lot of things on Facebook, and then she started this YouTube. And now Srividya has taken up Instagram so much. I don't even know, I only know the spelling of Instagram and how it looks, the picture. The icon. I don't know anything more about Instagram, but really, they're all God sent to me, and I feel I'm destined to do this work. And God has seen to it and sent me the right people, including Dr. Rakesh, for this job. Because otherwise, I mean, his words they really moved me, because nobody has said so much as he has today. A real big thank you to you, Doctor. And I think it was a wonderful time we've had, and I really appreciate the fact that doctors have come and spent time with us. And next week, I want to tell the volunteers we have a meet with our Tamil Nadu region, and I hope all our volunteers and whoever wants can please do attend it, because we are going to release the Tamil video, which would be the voiceover has been done by Akila, the main person who's done all our videos, and that's another one. And then following week we have rest of India, and which is Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Punjabi, and the last week would be Kerala, which would be in Malayalam, because yeah. So I welcome all of you to all the other 3 weeks that we have too. Thank you very much, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jayashree.
Thank you.
And wonderful hearing from you.
Thank you, Jayashree.
Everyone, thank you.
Nice darshan of my Guru.
Thank you.
Nice
Bye.
darshan of my Guru too. Thank you. Yeah, shall we leave? Akila, can we? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Jayashree. Yeah,
One and all,
thanks.
good day.
Thanks,
Good night.
everyone. Bye bye.